Welcome! Python is a popular programming language known for its versatility and simplicity. Let's explore why it's a favorite among developers. Python's clear and easy-to-read syntax makes it perfect for both beginners and experts, focusing on solving problems without complex code. From web development to data analysis, AI, scientific computing, and automation, Python's extensive libraries make it adaptable for various tasks. A large, active community provides a wealth of resources, tutorials, and forums, making it easier to find help and solutions. Python works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, integrating easily with other languages and technologies, perfect for full-stack development. Its simplicity and rich library ecosystem enable rapid development and prototyping, ideal for fast-paced environments. Python is widely used in education and is open source, ensuring continuous improvement and free access for everyone. Python is powerful, flexible, and productive. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, join the Python community and start creating today. Thank you for watching.